When the cat's not covered. Right when I left the box of that, wrong way, right after that. Your sweet bars and folks and that. You'll meet your partner, turn right back. Wrong when I know I'm not trying to hold you going, don't look back. And the gun goes past the ocean balance there, what's the motion? Swing through and squeeze the top. Jamming the ladies through the star, turning around to see from a bar. All the way over and all the way back, we'll watch them flow on the inside track. And they sent their side came home, pick up shirts and don't you run. Ladies star, play the gate, and then run left and don't be late. And I ran up through that garden gate and turned the right and don't be late. It's back to the gate on the other side, but turn to the left, but not too wide. Swing your corner, lady, there and start coming in at center and square. Start coming in. Ladies slip to the outside grid, the jumps are left, jumping jam twice around her merry-go-round. Find your partner, who's spinning his head up down and your left knees tender. Make it turn around and go. Here comes the line, and there goes horse that makes go up and down, of course. Hit the right in here, he's sitting, gals drop off around the expressway. Kirsten right, not too far, head in the center with a left-hand star. You find your partner, probably home, take your own, go home on your own. Now that's the ticket down to the right, and center for a teacup change here for letting our hand in the plane, side center, we start around. Turn that board to the middle of the ground, and start in, I'll have some more. Turn that board and center of the floor, side center, center, I gain, spin forward, turn it home again. Ladies in, circle right, and then run left to the right side left. Find your partner, join in, and out which best we know, let's begin. Slow it down, stay on ground, wheel it, partner, flow around, ground it in, you're in the down, but keep on going and don't slow down. Ground it in, go right high, right and lean, right and round. Partner left, all around the town, corner, right, partner left to a star, and join hands with that red arm. Slip the clutch, the left down, and the grand left around and left. Now toward your girl and dominate home, cause it's no fun to go home alone. We're stepping on the center, slip the ring, totally for the corner, just follow the swing. Double cross, go through to the sides, don't forget sides, follow on wide, it's best to do across that middle, sides will circle the time to the middle. Exit sides and balance a little. Sides bring up with a no-see-no, you show me, I don't know, I'll never learn that no-see-no. One more turn, you're right away, now circle again, it's a brand new day. Sides of the castle, BNT will separate and splatter reveal. Sides were through with the chuckle and laugh, up the cow around your cat. And with the angel circle hat. It's back and feels stirred up, and they can come around it. And that's already thankful can. And pick them up, they look so fancy, come on, show us the ground on land. Set her down and circle up over, pick it so they don't get sore. And then break and circle and check one bigger and don't feel it. short. Hold it out, let's make it wide. When you got step out, take it out, takes it up to the right. Focus when you go off the floor, set yourself up to dance solo.